Normally, you will want to use the laptop with its screen orientation in horizontal mode. This is in fact the default setting when Windows 10 starts. There are, however, instances when the screen will be changed to vertical mode. This can happen if the setting has been accidentally activated or if you changed it yourself. In this short video tutorial, we will show you how to change your laptop screen from vertical to horizontal. Change screen orientation from display settings. Right-click on an empty space in your desktop. Click on Display Settings. On the Display Orientation drop-down menu, you will find 4 choices: Landscape, Portrait, Landscape Flip, and Portrait Flip. Make sure to choose the Landscape option. Change screen orientation from NVIDIA Control panel. If you are using an NVIDIA graphics card, then you can change the screen orientation back to vertical from the NVIDIA Control panel. Right-click on an empty space in your desktop. Click on NVIDIA Control panel. On the left side of the window under Display, click on Rotate Display. On the right side of the window under Choose the Orientation option, make sure to place the dot on Landscape. I hope that this guide has been helpful. Please make sure to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos in the future. Thanks for watching.